Hello and welcome back, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a great way for you to get profit and get paid with jet.com and making money online. And you can make up to $500 in cash using this specific method. The only thing you need is access and ability to get credit. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to be showing you is, of course, how to use online arbitrage and generate an unbelievable amount of money in the fastest possible time. So if you need $500, let's say, for example, in the next few months, this actually will show you how you can do exactly that, and you don't have to spend even a penny of your own money using the method that I'll be actually teaching you over here. Now, you don't have to do it with jet.com. You can do it any site that you actually want, but we're just going to use Jet as a reference for you. So let's get started. I'm very excited right now, and I hope you are too, because this is going to be amazing. So the first thing you want to actually do is to go to hustlemoneyblog.com, and over here you are going to be looking at the different kind of promotions and offers that are available for you to actually use. So if you're opening a credit card, you get $350 in cash. For example, Huntington Bank Accelerate Checking, well, you get $750 in cash. Lots of different ways for you to get paid over here, but specifically what we are looking for is a way for us to get paid for opening a credit card, because we are going to be doing online arbitrage with this. Let's go ahead and check some amazing credit card offers. And the best one I found so far, you can get up to $500 in cash after you spend your first $3,000 on purchases in the first 3 months after opening the account. So Chase is an excellent credit card. There is no annual fee over here. And if, of course, you're going to be paying the whole credit card in full in the next few months, and you're going to be spending $3,000 in purchases, you get $500 back. So that's the way for you to make money over here, is by opening those credit cards, spending this money, and getting the money back. Now, if you don't think you can hustle and make that much money, well, over here there is another offer for us. So before that, $3,000 in purchase, maybe that was super steep for us. So let's check out this one, which is $200 in cash for $1,000 in purchases in the first 3 months. So that's actually not this bad at all. And I think most people would be able to get to this, but let's get to the people who are most probably are going to be just like you. So if you don't think you can hustle and make that much money, well, definitely $500. This is something that is totally reasonable in the next 3 months, which is 90 days from now. And the best thing about this, there's no annual fee, and you can earn up to $150 off. Now, how you're going to be doing this is going to be super simple. We're going to be heading to jet.com. We are going to be looking at Apple Watch. So the whole way for us to go about and do this is to find a product that is selling right now on Jet that we can drop ship to our clients. And with this product, we want it to be already get all the way to $500, because we are interested in getting the reward as fast as we can. And then once we get the reward for one product, we can open an additional credit card and do the same exact method here. So potentially you can link up a lot of those bonuses all at once. So it's going to be $150, $200, maybe even $500 bonuses, or combined. Maybe you make up to $1,000 of cash opening like 3 or 4 different kind of credit cards. Just be careful, don't open too many of them at the same exact time. It's gonna actually hurt your credit rating. And also make sure you're able to get this done. So once you get one of them done, you go ahead and move to the next one. That's the legitimate way for you to do this. Before you go ahead and create a dropship listing, the first thing I suggest for you to do is to pick the credit card you want to use. And most people should actually start with the Freedom Chase credit card. And over here, the first thing I suggest for you to do is to apply for this credit card and get accepted. Usually it takes them right away, but sometimes they will send the acceptance letter in the mail. And if they do so, you have to wait until you get the acceptance code. And that actually means that we have to hold off at least a week before we can create the dropship listing. Once you do get accepted and you get this credit card that's going to give you those rewards, the next step that you have to actually do is to take the item that we talked about, which is going to be the Apple iWatch, and we're going to be taking the Apple Watch and listing it up for sale. Now, most people would think that 529, let's do a dropshipping arbitrage listing where we hike up the price, maybe let's say $600 and wait until it sells. Well, guess what? It's going to take maybe forever, and most likely most people are going to be very careful with items they're buying that are over $50. And items such as the watch itself, they are not going to go ahead and buy it from you if you sell it for $600. Well, they can buy this for $529. In fact, people want to buy it for the cheapest price possible. So why not? You're going to be selling it underpricing this item for, let's say, $525. And then if nobody actually buys it, you're going to keep on lowering the price. And yes, you're going to lose a few bucks margin using this specific method, but that is totally okay because you're still making money. And specifically what we are talking about, let's move it all the way to $510. And here we are losing right now a little bit of cash. But you cannot use online arbitrage and hike up the price for this product because most people are going to be super careful over here. They want to get their watch for the cheapest price possible. Therefore, they're going to be looking everywhere to find the same exact identical product at its cheapest price. And since we're going to be selling this item on eBay, we want to make sure that everybody is going to buy our product in the fastest possible way. So instead of hiking the price of the product, instead what we're going to be doing is just subtracting. So let's subtract $15 from the cost of this product, and it's going to be $514 instead. So now we are actually offering it below retail value of the product itself. We are taking a small hit. We are actually losing $15 on this, but since we're going to be opening a credit card and we're going to be using it to buy this product, you're actually winning $150. So by us winning $150 and losing $15, we are actually still in a plus for $135 minus PayPal and eBay expenses, which is going to be another maybe $20 to $30, and yet we are going to be still making around $100 using this method. And now if you're going to be doing this for at least a few credit cards, you might be able to make at least $200 to $500 in the process of making this actually work for you. Plus, if you sign up for jet.com, you're also going to be making an extra $15 as well. And with foreign codes and bonuses, well, let's take a look. How much can you make with jet.com? And you can see right here, I myself already made an additional $71 of Jet Cash balance. Not only I was able to get a free iPod, I'm also going to be able to do Lego vesting with it as well. It is a win-win situation for you to get something from jet.com, open a credit card, do Lego vesting, take up money, buy expensive things, and sell them online arbitrage.